Today, we are doing viewer alarm clock sounds. So basically, my viewers are sending me voice memos or things that they think I could use as my alarm clock to wake me up in the morning. So, yeah, we gonna see.
They call me slime ghetto. I kill me and they call me slime pen. I come with that drizzle, come with that switch. The bitch say me, I'm really unfriendly.
Did this just play Anna's anthem? I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I can wake up to that. Some real shit. I can't wake up to that. Yeah, spam up the slime, get him though. All right.
Attention, attention. I'm so serious. Attention. I'm so serious. I'm so serious. I'm so serious. I'm so serious.
Why do you sound like you getting or some? Why do you sound like you was in danger? Yo, I've never heard you say that like that before, bro. What the? Okay, I'm not waking up to Duke in my ear. Yeah, tripping, yo. That's literally you.
Sauce kill, why you touch me?
What? Yo, why would I wake up to? Okay, all right, bro. So niggas role playing. Okay, I got y'all now. I understand it. Okay.
Boy, slow down. Boy, slow down. Boy, slow down.
Boy, slow down. I feel like I don't know if this will wake me up though. I don't think that would wake me up, yeah. That should probably put me back to sleep.
I just wrote that check. Yeah, I do it for fun.
This better.
And this be from Cash, not from YouTube.
I'm not waking up to Cash Cobain Prod tag, bro. Let's log in.
This is a certified hood classic.
Hey, y'all, the pizza here. Oh!
I think if this was my alarm to wake me up in the morning, I'd probably have the worst day of my life. What is going on? Why do I hear Minecraft sounds, brain rot sounds? Like, what is going on? Animation, tripping noises? Like, bro, what? How bored were you to put this sound together, bro? Over the Pour Me Numb snippet instrumental?
Sauce, wake up, Matt, Sauce, wake up, Matt, wake up, Sauce, kill, Matt, Justin, Matt.
What the? Yo, can y'all send like some real that I could use? Like, what is y'all doing? Why would I ever use that?
Who made that mess?
You did, Kate.
What?
I made the mess.
I'm not waking up to that. Yo, if I wake up to that, I'm probably gonna be dreaming about getting from the back or some shit. I don't know. I can't use that one, bro. That's low-key what happened today. Yeah, you try to put a virus on my computer.
Sauce him outside. Sauce him outside. Sauce him outside.
Why do you sound like a...
Sauce him outside.
You sound like a crackhead, bro. You sound like the crackheads I be seeing in DC. You literally sound like a chronic smoker. What is you doing?
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick right now.
No, I'm not.
Shit.
No.
Fuck, man. I'm a freak, man. Like, for real.
And y'all saying W's. Nice. Come on, bro. What the was that?
Yo, you get no hoes, no, you're broke, you got no car, you're literally at the like the worst point in your life possible. The only thing you got going for yourself is Twitch, which I mean you get clowned every day by that actually mess with you. So I mean I don't know how you feel in life right now. Your girl doesn't want you, so you took your girl. Ron took your girl. The J sucks. You come in here smelling bad every day. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Just you might have to call it quits, man.
Nah, I think that shit might motivate me, yo. And that shit might be get me out of bed, like, you know what I'm saying? That shit might get me out of bed. Real talk though. That shit might make me wake up like, yo, I gotta get my day started. So type this. No, that might be the one.
You digging in it?
Okay, all right. That's not the one. That's not what we doing. Enough nip.
Shercock, we're losing viewers.
Jump up and down. Well, I don't know where you got that from, bro. What is that? I can't really. Where's that sound, chat?
Eyes open. Eyes open. I think yo bitch going. Eyes open.
You like Indians, gotta get paid.
Nigga, you gon' catch AIDS.
You like Indians, gotta get paid.
Nigga, you gon' catch AIDS.
What the f is this?
I don't even know what to say no more. Raccoon eyes, cause I
Let me see, pick me up on my feet. Shit, damn. Nigga, lick my balls, he can lick up on my.
Bro, what the f? Yo, I'm not waking up to that. Are you crazy? Yo, what's up, guys? Okay, y'all got jokes. Okay, all right, I get it.
Eyes open, I think your bitch gone. Eyes open, this ain't fully loaded.
I can't wake up to 1 a.m., bro.
If you wasn't invited, don't ask to go. If you wasn't invited, don't ask to go. And don't accept invites that's in the air.
That might be the one.
You know what I'm saying? Hey,
that might be the one.
Y'all too. Don't accept invites that's in the air. So like, for example, let's say 3 people over here talking. Let's say 3 people over here talking and you over here. And they over there making plans, going to the bowling alley.
Don't ask to go.
Whatever. And they over there talking and you just so happen to hear the plans being made.
Yes, sir.
Do not, if they see you, you know what I'm saying? If they don't invite you directly.
Don't ask.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't go.
Now this might be the one. I think this will motivate me, bro.
You wasn't in the initial planning. You know what I'm saying, Jay? You wasn't in the initial planning.
You wasn't in the initial planning.
No.
Don't ask to go, yo. That might be the one. Alright, bro. Come on. Why would I wake up to this? Alright, man. Needed the audio. Damn. Yeah. That might be the one. Yo, that shit would lift me up. I'm not gonna lie. That shit would definitely wake me up. The thing is, I don't like playing songs I like because then I like end up hating the song. Y'all ever done that? Like, y'all had an alarm. You had a song as your alarm clock, but then it like, since you hear it, since it woke you up every morning, like you end up hating the song. That shit happened to me, bro.
Whatever, boom, 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 boom. Cha, 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 cha.
That nigga, you want to bang on me? That nigga. All right.
Eyes open, eyes.
How many times y'all gonna say core? Is this? That's not waking me up, bro. Yo, you got me up if you think I'm starting my morning with Nor GXD in my ear, bro. Come on.
Saucy, wake up.
Nope, no, we're not doing that. Isaiah from Hinge, all right. Nigga, is something clapping? What is that? No. Yo, Isaiah, yo, you this close to getting banned, bro.
Ooh. Sauce, if you don't wake up, I'ma stick it in your ear.
Holy shit. Tight dick.
Oh, you like dick? Oh, hell no. You
Oh. Nah, hey man.
You wanna
Play the full one, go back.
Eyes open, I pay your bitch gone. Eyes open, I pay your bitch gone. Eyes open, I pay your bitch gone. Eyes open,
Yeah, I'm good though. I don't want to wake up to that. Yeah, that's why I look in my mood in the morning though. That's like a valid one.
Yo toss. You get his fucking.
Alright, bro, I guess.
What? Yeah. Gang. Shit, gang. Yeah. Love my brother. Yeah.
Calm down. I fuck with that. That's good vibes. They can wake me up.
Oh my goodness, Justin, why'd you touch me?
Okay. See, what is we doing? Yeah. Y'all bugging. All right, come on. Because Silky took your girl? He's got jokes. Okay.
Should I get Hyder or Sophie? We'll get Sophie. And then whatever your last name is, Platy. You know what? You guys know what I like about Platy, and about everyone who I really love in here? Is all y'all be respectful. None of y'all say, let me EYA. None of y'all say.
All right.
Yo. I'm coming. Go. I'm coming.
What?
Coming.
Coming where?
Coming.
Bro, what? I think if that woke me up, I'd turn schizo, bro. That ass. What the
Top of the morning to you, sus. Time to get up, get some work done, and live out the day.
Yeah, I would never use that as my alarm, bro.
So you're going Tay.
How you get mad by that bitch and I fuck with your nigga y'all met on the net. I made a call and
this is my stuff.
I said shawty gon' drop me the net. I got your bitch in my DMs. I know when you saw it, the nigga was stressed. I'm getting whatever I want. If you leave it with me, then I'm taking your bed.
Fuck, you digging in me.
Yo, come on, bro. What is y'all doing? Like, bro, y'all want me to wake up to? Hell no.
Y'all niggas become chill, bro.
What the I gotta do to get my back? I got 2 Glocks, nigga, so I'm going mixed match.
He's spinning though. All right.
Better if I suck on that pussy, that'll get you wet. And rub my hand on that click, that'll get you wet.
I'm not waking up to that, bro.
Stop saying you ain't black, you a
Okay, let's stop that right there.
Oh yeah, Justin, you like that? Oh my goodness, I'm about to explode.
Yo! No, bro. What is y'all, bro? That ass, what is y'all doing?
Fat bitch.
Now this might be the one.
Fat bitch.
That might be the one.
Talking down on gang, yeah, we on your ass.
Nah, that might be the one.
I need another shot, cause I ain't lit enough. He needs some more ones. My bag ain't big enough. He tryna fuck some.
Yo, I would have the worst day of my life if I woke up to that. Sauce, you digging at me. I'll tell you, I never digged in you, gang. Come on.
Yo, stop. Wake up. Duke Dennis is literally Hawk 2 in my tight deck.
Yo, please never say that sentence again, bro. Holy all right.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
The Bluetooth device is ready to.
I'm good though. I don't want that as my alarm.
In the kitchen, rubbing my balls on the dish.
Yeah, I'm good too. I don't want that.
Justin, not there.
What the? Yo, why would I wake up to these sounds?
Wakey, wakey. It's time to get your cakey up. Wakey, wakey. Saucy. Saucy.
I don't. Yeah, the voice a little scary to me. I'm sorry, I can't do it. Okay, yeah. So you want me to wake up sexed out, nigga? Come on.
My mom.
What?
What the? What the? What the fuck? What the fuck?
What did I just listen to?
She told me I can fuck. She told me.
Yo,
I can
I'm not waking up to say Mercader, bro. Like, come on.
I'm in here shirt day. I'm in Paris with the hood.
Why is he doing that? Why would I wake up to this?
It's another day. FBI says it's not.
All right, bro. Mom now. All right.
Hello, bands. I would like to humbly request a jerk-off instruction video to expand my selection.
What?
Zai just nutted on this beat.
Okay. So we doing prod tags?
Is that Zai slumped?
Yeah, pay with me, you done. Yeah, I got this chop on my head, but you better run. But Obi-Wan Kenobi, I'm your father, you my son.
Hey, I passed, bro. I got past that one.
Your phone, leave me. Where? Big boy, pick up your phone.
Holla!
Your phone don't go to voicemail. Where? Big boy, pick up your phone.
Woo! Wait, that might be the one. That might be the one. Oh, yo, next we gotta do ringtones. That one's fire. I don't know if I wake up to that. I'll probably just start like dreaming about being, you know what I'm saying? About being devious. What?
Just one scheme, buddy. Someone fell takes the toilet. God can see the SQP. I'm morsing Monday.
Yo, make anything.
Hey, y'all say what's up? This is my nigga Justin Saucekill, Elliot brother.
All right, okay.
Yo, be honest with me. Tell me the truth, my nigga. Have you ever been this good?
Yeah, okay.
You have never been this good.
No, okay. Are you serious, nigga? You fine, bro. You ain't never been up this good.
I'm not waking up to that, bro. Come on.
Just want me to slide in that little shit. I'll slide in that little shit.
I'm not waking up to that either.
Like I'm corny. You're fat and you're 13 and in middle school, you fat.
All right.
Yo, if you kiss a that don't make you gay, bro.
Yo, who said that? AI.
Bitch, I'm a ghost. I could go on for days and days, yeah, I do the most. Wait. I'm for Eddie, I'm up.
Ain't nobody ask you for your head ass opinion, you dumb booty smelling.
Okay, all right. I don't want to wake up to that either. What is going on? Yo, yeah, okay, Isaiah, you scaring me, bro.
Me and my shiny feeling head on my.
We will go She wanna wear wild mouth skigging. When I do shit, I'm twigging. Yeah. She camping, I shit in the same. No I'm good for the weekend. Niggas.
Yo, is that AI Duke singing John? Yeah, I know John got hard to that. I'm not gonna lie.
Stop touching me. I'm only 9.
No. Nigga, is that car noises? What Kill wants for Christmas? Alright.
Sauce, I'm only 7, please.
Yo,
stop.
yo, stop with the little kid shit, did I?
You to come from Bacolado. I've been married a long time ago. But you to come.
I thought I was gonna keep going.
You saw somebody take a shot.
What?
Sauce, you're not the next Diddy. Please stop it.
Alright, bro. Yeah, I don't need that.
I never said that. You.
Alright.
Cleaning my car in the rain. Nick ain't asking for you know they ain't hear my mother drink. Bitches look like my cup is pain. Yeah. Go to the bank and pull out the francs. I put out cologne in the.
That's just terrible. I would have a terrible day if that woke me up, bro.
If Duke was behind you, and
that's it?
I have a question.
What's up?
Hold on, I have a question.
What's up?
Wait, give me a second. Hold on, I have a question.
What's up?
Hold on, I have a question.
Okay, yeah, stupid ass nigga. Alright, bro.
Sauce, you digging in me. You digging in me. Stop. Wake up.
I can't wake up to that. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness, so skill. Stop digging at me. Sauce not there. I told you. Don't do it again.
Oh my gosh.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up
This
your
is racist.
Bring a bucket and a mop for this wet-ass pussy. Give me everything you got for this wet-ass pussy.
Skip to 31 seconds.
Forever. One, two, 3, 4. Yeah.
You got jokes.
Yeah.
High screen since you at bottom.
Hey, look. I'm Paul. Ting tong, ting. My bad.
Yeah, let's end. Yeah, we ended that. Yeah.
I can't shot no passer. I can't shot no passer. He got sticks, my bro. He passer. Big old beam on, bro. Can't lie, no.